Speech on Education. Mr. Chairman, respected chief guest, ladies and gentlemen. At the very outset, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to the organizers of this meeting. Education is a vital necessity in our present-day world, with great overtones both nationally and internationally. Education is the media through which firstly we bind culture at our doorsteps. Apart from the various advantages that education confers and contributes to us, its main merit lies in making the recipient of education independent. The educated person not only is in a position to assist others, to dispel the darkness of others' disability, but education lends enough of self-reliance to a person to face the hazards and variations of destiny, by himself. Let us look at the little children of our times, who will one day grow to be full-size citizens tomorrow. If they are denied education, they will grow up all the same, but the doubts and insecurity of their minds will never leave them. They might always be haunted with the fright of domination and may live the full lengths of their lives in the shadow of dependence and despondency. Is this legacy, the legacy of fear and frustration that we would like to leave to the young hopefuls of day? It is through our efforts, some sacrifice on our parts as parents, as well as it is cooperation of the authorities and their benevolence, that educate can properly spread among those who need it. The result will definitely usher in an era of glorious possibilities. We would have a multitude of independent populations who would be free, skillful and contributors of great benefits to our society. Thank you.